Ilhom inqas minn xahar li bdew joperaw f'pajjiżna u ġa qed ibassru li fi żmien sentejn se jkollhom bżonn jespandu. Din ir-realtà pożittiva ta' Aviation Cosmetics li fl-4 ta' Novembru infetħet uffiċjalment fil-Park tal-Avjazzjoni f'Ħalsafi mill-Prim Ministru Malti u dak Olandiż. Il-kumpanija li tispeċjalizza fi żbieħ tal-ajruplani għadha kemm bdiet taħdem fuq l-ewwel ajruplan, imma l-interess minn manifatturi u linji tal-ajru ewlenin, partikolarment dawk b'ajruplani kbar, ilha hemm sa minn qabel bdiet topera, kif stqar magħna l-manager kummerċjali Fritz Fittershoven.
All the people who fly these aircraft, like Lufthansa, British Airways, Air France, Emirates, are interested. Nobody's going to tell you, yes, we bring them. First they want to see it, but the interest is there, and the interest was there before I expected it already.
Aviation Cosmetics tbassar li fi żmien sena taħdem fuq 30 ajruplan ta' daqs kbir u 50 ajruplan ta' daqs żgħir, fejn żgħir għalihom ifisser ajruplan bħal dak li ħadmu fuq f'dawn l-aħħar jiem, ajruplan tal-passiġġieri tal-EasyJet. Wara 20 sena topera fl-Olanda, issa f'Malta l-kumpanija għandha hangars ġodda kbar u magħmulin apposta li tuha vantaġġ kbir fuq il-kompetizzjoni.
It's brand new and it's big enough for their aircraft. There are only a couple of painting facilities big enough for wide-body aircraft in Europe. Only we build it, a brand new one, and big enough to accommodate the biggest aircraft that flies around in this world.
Id-direttur maniġerjali Tom Jansen għalilna li f'pajjiżna qed isibu l-għajnuna kollha meħtieġa, inkluż mill-Gvern.
We are very complementary to the other maintenance companies here, aircraft maintenance companies here on the island, and they helped us as well because they are most airline companies and the maintenance companies here are very happy with the painting company because it is something you do not think of, but it has to be done all the time.
Mistoqsija allura kif jaħseb li se jkun il-futur tal-kumpanija, Fittershoven wieġeb hekk.
I think it's going to be very bright, and I think within, 2 years, I think we have to negotiate again with the government to see if we can build another facility next to it.